Let's have coffee, guys.
Litchi. Why you say litchi?
Later. We have school later. It's too early. Eh, si Hana kay lagot kayo siya. Kay pati niya busy ha. Si Jess kasi silpon ra. Kawala man si Ma'am Seth. Natulog. Kagikan ko kagayan. Si silpon ra si Hana. Kagikan ko kagayan. Pusik ka. Wala pa siya tulog. Siya pinag sa mga bata. Sa teacher Joy. Pwede ko printan niya ba? Wala lang printan. Then, pagkahapon kaya nag-meeting man may. Ato rin si Hana dito. Madugay kising na. Dugay. Yati ada kasi na mag-meeting. Anak dan Jess dito. Uji ko ni mo tawangin dito. Sabi ko pa man may mag-meeting. Kailan pa man may mag-meeting. Sila agad kayo. Patay kaon. Wala patay tulog. Niya siya. Gasilpon-silpon ra. Gasilpon-silpon ra siya. No holidays.
Easy math with
Dad.
Ron.
Holidays is
Hello,
dad.
good morning. Let's see your outfit. Here's my outfit. It's overall. Wala na lang kayo kay viewers noon. Nag-live ko na hanggang pili kasi yun yan.
Hey, isa. You're mute. Te. Just read it. Who's most beautiful? Long hair or short hair?
I'm beautiful in my camera too.
Short hair, long hair. Which beautiful? Long hair or beautiful? Long hair or short hair?
Beautiful? I'm pretty. I'm pretty in my own way.
That is real. That is real.
I will kill you.
Yan lagi ko na sa amin di. Enggak. Kira. Tapi
Here I am.
anak Jess. Pag-ipan din na siya. Ay, yun ka na alam mo. Bukan nagpa-plancha lang mong dito. Siya, din ay, riban gini Ako saan nagulit siya eh.
Ako
Riban niya daw eh. Siya, ko, nagpa-plancha naman sa dili, magunay ng anak atong kuan. Hindi na anak mo.
Wala guys, wala ko nakapariban kay wala ko money. No money, no honey.
I want no money, no honey, but you. Ang kadangan ng
No
ganyan.
money, no honey, guys. Hi! Go away!
Bili din sa inyo ah.
I want to be your friend, your boyfriend. Ay.
Really?
Sure.
It's so short.
Sure.
It's so short. Okay. I can't make ponytail. Because it's too short. I want no money but you. No money but you.
I wanna be to be a twinkle star.
Longest waste of time. Waste of shampoo.
Waste of everything.
Waste of water.
Wasting everything, okay? I know, right?
Waste of conditioner.
I have a lot of conditioner, so it's okay.
It's fine.
But Marcos, hello!
Dati ako. Nigamit na ako. Kanagamit ka na ako. Lobat.
Good morning, everybody. Show fit so angel.